Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to parry in Star Wars Battlefront II. And trust me, it's a game changer if you love lightsaber duels. So first, what even is parrying in this game? Well, it's not a button or an official move. It's more of a timing trick. Basically, when your enemy swings their lightsaber at you, you block. But at the exact moment their saber hits yours, you tap the attack button. The key here is, you don't let go of block while doing this. What happens is, your block absorbs the hit and your timed attack slips right through, landing damage while keeping you safe. It's kind of like a counterattack. Here's how to do it step by step. Hold block. Always. As soon as you see or hear their attack landing on your saber, quickly tap the attack button. Keep holding block after the swing. Don't drop it unless you're sure they're vulnerable. Now, it might take a few tries to get the timing right, but once you do, you'll win way more lightsaber fights, especially against aggressive players who spam attacks. So go into a hero showdown, try it out, and see the difference. And remember, timing is everything. Alright, that's it for this one. Like and subscribe for more tips, and may the Force be with you.